take off this parking light, you can stick a trim tool or I guess whatever you have back here. There's a tab that I'll show you in a second. You have to press that and pry out at the same time. This assembly comes out. This is the tab that I was referring to. I was pressing right here, and that's all that holds this in. It just unlocks. At this point, you can unplug your bulbs or twist them out and reuse them in your new assembly. But this is a good opportunity to replace these bulbs. So here's the old assembly. Because I am reusing my bulbs, I'm just going to take them out of the old assembly, slide them into the new one, twist it to lock it in. Do the same to this one. Let's install the new assembly, plug in the bulbs, make sure they click, and then you have this tab right here. That needs to slide in to this hole over there. Slide that in first, and then just press it in. Once it clicks, it's locked in, and now you can do the same thing to the other side if you wish to do so.